If you want to see exactly how we got this Pippi Longstocking strawberry blonde look, stay tuned. Let's get into it. When it comes to quality, XrsBeauty hair is second to none. Hands down, when it comes to the lace transparency, it's second to none. I can confirm that. They sent me over a unit. It's 200% density. The density refers to the actual thickness of the unit. And this is a comparison when it comes to the lace. On my skin tone, as you can see, the lace is still showing a little bit because I am darker. But once you spray it with your Got2b or your Ebon spray, it becomes clear, okay? And it's second to none. Now, when she puts it on her skin color, as you can see, because she's a little bit more peanut butter complexion, even when you don't spray it, the lace is clear and it disappears. So I would say if there was one thing that I could recommend about this unit is if you are dark skinned, you may have to do a little bit of tinting, just a little bit, but it's very unnoticeable. Right? It's very unnoticeable. If you're a peanut butter complexion, you're good to go. I would say very minimal changes that you would have to do to the unit. This unit, again, is a number 4. I truly believe that the color is a little bit different than a 4. I would say almost like a 30. And if I could, I would do a little tinting to the bottom part, just for me personally, and make it a little bit darker when it comes to the roots. The unit is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and I want to go ahead and get into the install and the styling. It's a straight unit, so let's bust it down the middle. I'll be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do, guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Okay guys, this is a new clear lace silky 20-inch straight 200% density unit in the color 4. Now this to me is a lot more red, a lot more ginger than the number 4. To me, number 4 is more of a brown, like a chocolate brown. Would you say chocolate? It's more of a chocolate. Not this, but the number 4. Number 4 is more of a brown, but I'm going by my notes. So I like this hair. I decided to do the bust down the middle just to have something to be a little bit different. As you know, clear lace always has a very clear hairline. Very natural. I did do the baby hairs just a little bit, just a little something. The hair is beautiful hair. I love it. I will put all of the details down below in the description box. The selling point for this unit is the lace. It is extremely transparent. So you know how with some units you can get away with a hole in your stocking cap. You can get away with your forehead not quite being right. But with this, it's going to show everything. So I'm going to put all of the details down below in the description box. Thank you, XrsBeautyHair, for collaborating with this video. Get caught up if you missed a hair video because they are good info. And I will see you in the next one.